Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's 6:56, 73 degrees, 5.4 miles, and I'm trying to, I'm jumping the birds. I got a total of 58 birds in the crates. I tossed them the other day it was only 41 birds because I left the trap partially open and they escaped out. Prisoners escaped. But I'm in this same spot I go to every time for 5 miles. I won't be changing distances. I won't be changing directions until I get to the 20-mile marker because we normally fly west to east. This year we're flying south to east. So we'll be flying towards Birmingham, Alabama, all the way to where I live at, Hendersonville, Tennessee. This is the area right here. It's got one power line right there. Hopefully they should go high enough before they even turn that direction. I got them aiming this direction, so you know what that means. They're gonna go that way pretty much and then turn. I don't know, they're crazy like that. No matter if I move the birds all the way out here, they still gonna go that way and turn. But we're gonna see what we do. They've been out here for a few minutes. It's only 5.4 miles, 58 birds. I got a lot of little birds down there on the power line, so I got no hawks around. So let's make it do what it do. All right, put you down. They ready to go anyway. Well, you know they should, whoop, there they go. And I thought home was that way, but they say home is that way, so I'm gonna see what they do. They in a group though, no stragglers. There they go. They are a little below. They didn't go to the power line, that's for sure. They definitely in the right direction. See one straggler, or a couple of stragglers. They still above a little bit above the tree. I see some stragglers, so I know that's which way they are. Waiting for them to break up some more. All right, so that's 58 at 5.4 miles. Let's try to get home so I can get my butt to work. Okay, family, I guess they beat me home. It's 7:14, 75 degrees. I guess they're gonna open the door in the front and go inside, I guess. You know, that was a good one. 10.9, that's how long it took me to get home, 10 miles. So it's 5.4 miles to the toss spot. So we know that they made it home. I don't know how many made it home. We'll take a look at them. And tomorrow they go right back out. Yesterday I didn't toss them because of the fog, but I did fly around. I did let them loft fly. All right, let me put you on pause. All right, family, this section right here is my lake hatches, and some of them was, I guess, at the right time, but I didn't move them over into the fly pen. That's those two. This one is separate. It's the lake hatches. They're ready to come out. Haven't never let them out yet. It's about 25 of them. I'm gonna let them out this weekend. They pretty. I won't have no trap on this. They just gotta be able to come out and go back in. That's how they've been doing. I think there might have been one flew out, but who cares? There they go right there. It's about 25. We're gonna definitely work on them. Pause. Now I'm gonna keep tossing them, and we're gonna keep moving distance. But them right there, I'm gonna toss them short tosses, and then I'm gonna slingshot them. You know, jumping them probably way farther than they normally would jump. But I will be, that's progress for them, because they have to catch up to them no matter what. All right, there go my birds up there. Lazy. Let's get them down, which they probably won't come down, so we're gonna kill this video. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Appreciate all you for watching my channel. Thank you.